twist and turn, let's start anew. Paracord in colors bright, knot by knot our bond is true, sharing dreams and morning light.
Greetings. This bracelet is called the Royal Patriot. The one I'm going to be making, I'm called American Patriot. Instead of the purple, it's going to have the red, white, and blue paracord. Okay, we're starting off with a 4-strand cord consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches or 35.56 centimeters melted together to form a loop connected to make the core. The 2 colors are the vase, and we've got black. It's 86 inches or 215.44 centimeters. The red, white, and blue camo is 60 inches or 152.4 centimeters. The inlay in here, which is red, white, and blue, are microcord. They're 2 millimeters thick, and all 3 of them are 50 inches long or 127.0 centimeters. Gonna need a lighter, a pair of scissors, and a presser. Okay, for the black, we're going through the side. In the red, white, and blue, and we're going to be using fids on almost everything. Two mil paracord in between these 2 right here, and then black from the right side, underneath, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, and goes to your left. The black on the left goes over that black, comes underneath, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, down through the loop on the right side. Red, white, blue camo, up from the bottom, in between 3 and 4. And it goes down in between 3 and 4 to the right side of there, and then down the lip. The red, white, blue from the other side comes up from the bottom. It's under everything now. Comes up from the bottom, in between 1 and 2. Goes down in between 1 and 2 on the left side of that strand and through the loop. Now we start from the right side, the red, and it goes down in the center between 2 and 3, comes up on the right side of the red, the white on the right side, down in between 2 and 3, comes up in between the red and on the right side of the white. The blue, down in between 2 and 3, up in between the blue and the white, off to the side from the right. Now, from the left side, take the blue down in between 2 and 3, up on the left side of the blue, and then it's off to the side. White, down in between 2 and 3, and up on the right side of the white, everything else. The red from the right side, left side, down in between 2 and 3, up, and on the left side of everything, into the center. Push it up, tighten, down, tighten the red, white, and blue, down, tighten red, white, and blue. And we'll do it pretty tight. Now, starting with the red, and the white, and the blue on this side, then the white, then the red, tighten little bits at a time to make sure you get it nice and even. Should look like that, but you want to keep it nice and tight. Go over it 2 or 3 times. Alright, then when you're sure, then we go to the next one. Again, same thing as before. This is the same pattern, goes all the way to the bottom. There's no difference. Come up in between 2 and 3. Black from left side, goes over, under, up in between 2 and 3, and down to the loop on the right side. And the camo from the right side comes up in between 3 and 4. Goes down between 3 and 4 on the right side of the camo. Just think everything you put down is always going to be the right side. If it's on the right side, everything on the left side is going to be to the left side of the strand that you're doing. Okay, from the bottom of everything, up in between 1 and 2. And it goes down in between 1 and 2 on the left side of the camo. Yeah. The red, the right side, down between 2 and 3, up in between 2 and 3, white, down and up, the blue.
Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love and colors bold, twisted tales and so much more. Paracord and hearts of gold. Twist and turn, let's start anew. Paracord in colors bright. Knot by knot, our bond is true. Sharing dreams in morning light. Loop it tight, then pull it close. Patterns form like days and nights. Every strand and every dose, bringing joy in neon sights. Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love in colors bold. Twisted tales and so much more. Paracord and hearts of gold. Or by the sea, weaving stories, you and me. Threads of laughter, wild and free. Tie a friendship endlessly. In every knot a memory, holding tight so tenderly. Paracord and you and me, forever bound so lovingly. Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love in colors bold. Twisted tales and so much more. Paracord and hearts of gold. Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love in colors bold. Twisted tales and so much more. Paracord and hearts of gold. Knot by knot, our bond is true. Sharing dreams in morning light. Loop it tight and pull it close. Patterns form like days and nights. Every strand and every dose, bringing joy in neon sights. Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love and colors bold. Twisted tales and so much more. Paracord and hearts of gold. In the park or by the sea, weaving stories, you and me. Threads of laughter, wild and free. Tie a friend forever bound, so lovingly. Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love and colors bold, twisted tales and so much more. Paracord and hearts of gold. In the park or by the sea, weaving stories, you and me. Threads of laughter, wild and free, tie a friendship endlessly. In every knot, a memory, holding tight so tenderly. Paracord and you and me, forever bound, so lovingly. Forever bound, so lovingly. Twist and turn, let's start anew. Paracord in colors bright. Knot by knot, our bond is true. Sharing dreams in morning light. Loop it tight and pull it close. Patterns form like days and nights. Every strand and every dose, bringing joy in neon sights. Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love in colors bold. Twisted tales and so much more. Paracord and hearts of gold. Park or by the sea, weaving stories, you and me. Threads of laughter, wild and free, tie a friendship endlessly. In every knot a memory, holding tight so tenderly. Paracord and you and me, forever bound so lovingly. Bracelets made of dreams we wore, tied with love.